So today I will be presenting to you my senior project, the self-loading tee. So my problem statement was that in 63.2% of families, uh, a lot of parents work full-time, both parents, and it's leaving young kids with no supervision over long periods of times. And that can lead to high levels of stress, fear, loneliness, and boredom. But getting your kid a babysitter for a week costs around $529, and most people cannot afford that. And so this article discusses how expensive it can be to hire a sitter every week. This one discusses the damage, mental damage it can cause when young kids are left alone with nothing productive to do. Last article critique, and it talks about all kinds of different baseball tees and what good prices for those might be. This is some past and present solutions that I found and the prices and locations to get them and what they might look like. This is the closest thing. It is the Quick Tee automatic baseball tee. Goes for around $400 before tax. This is my brainstorming phase one. And then the second phase where I determined that a self-loading tee was my best option. And my project solution was that the best solution to my problem would be to create a product that will allow kids to safely practice hitting off a baseball tee without any supervision from a parental figure. My justifications of this solution was that an automatic baseball release is kid-friendly and is easily deconstructible. This is one of my sketches. This is a technical drawing of a PVC pipe holder that I catted, a rubber boot that I catted for the PVC pipes, and this is the lever that raised up and down to release the ball that I catted. This is my code that raised the lever, and this is my procedure of build. So I took apart two wood pieces, cut a hole in the middle of one of them, made a tripod out of PVC pipe and catted the rubber boots for those, then made the connector to secure those PVC pipe tripods in place, cut a hole in a bucket big enough for a baseball to fit through, and then made the lever and the code to release with the press of a button, and it would raise it and let the ball fall out. This is my Gantt chart showing what I did and when. The tools I use for bandsaw, hot glue gun, drill, sander belt, 3D printer, Robot C, and Inventor. This is a picture of all the parts that I made, and this is a picture of all the material fasteners that I used and a list of that. This is a video of my product being tested. So as you can see, when the button is pressed, the lever raises, the ball rolls out and sits nicely on that brush tee, and is very secure when the ball is hit. So some problems I had were finding the right angle for the ramp to get the ball to roll down and land perfectly on the tee. I had trouble finding the right angle for the brush tee to allow the ball to stay on the tee. Pulling out bristles of the brush to allow the ball to better stay without hampering your ability to swing through the ball. Getting a good lip on the brush so it would help launch the ball onto the tee without going too far over or not up at all. Another problem I have is fastening the brush to the PVC ramp and balancing the ramp on the tee. Conclusion was the self-loading tee provides a safe and easy way for young kids to go out and practice the craft of hitting a baseball without having the supervision of their parents. If I had to make recommendations on how I could better this project, it would be to find a way to make the ramp more secure, to not fall off or kind of wobble when you hit the ball, to increase efficiency of the lever to release the ball, because sometimes it might get stuck, and then to increase the storage capacity of the bucket so you can hit for longer periods of time and keep your rhythm. Thank you. These are my works citeds. Yep, that is all. Thank you.